So to start off with a SWOT analysis, some of the strengths of Johnson & Johnson's product growth, company involvement, use by hospitals all around, strong marketing campaigns, affordable at about $2 to $3 per bottle of baby lotion. It's made with affordability in mind, which is nice for consumers. Some of the weaknesses, there's more and more competition all the time for baby lotions, organics, naturals, no brands, you name it, people are coming up with it. Keeping up with the demands for consumers and those around the product, stock market changes or declines in margins, how others display their products and how others talk about their products when comparing to similar ones on the market, and product shares. Some of the opportunities for Johnson & Johnson's that they could use to use financial powers to keep growing, use market shares, community involvement, always making an effort to make the brand accessible to those around them. When community feels involved, to feel connected to the product and the company, that makes a huge improvement, and a consumer likes to feel like they know the product and that they feel like they're a part of it. The service projects that they continue to be involved in nationwide, not just here in the United States, but they continue to be involved in countries all around. There's opportunities to continue to raise money for other nonprofit organizations around the world, which they continue to do and will always continue to do because that's what Johnson & Johnson's company was built on. Some of the threats Johnson & Johnson's face is competitors could use brand strength as leverage, the price markets, the supply and demand, the ingredients, possible employee turnovers or scandals, although Johnson & Johnson is always making strides and efforts with their employees to make sure this kind of stuff does not happen, but obviously it's any company this stuff does happen. But this is why marketing plans are in place. This is why a SWOT analysis always needs to be evaluated to make sure these kind of things are targeted and looked at every year.